Months and seasons in English. January.
Leden.
January. I'm going to start my diet in January.
V lednu začnu držet dietu.
I'm going to start my diet in January. February.
Únor.
February. Valentine's Day is celebrated in February.
Valentín se slaví v únoru.
Valentine's Day is celebrated in February. March.
Březen.
March. March is the beginning of spring.
Březen je začátkem jara.
March is the beginning of spring. April.
Duben.
April. The flowers start to bloom in April.
Květiny začínají kvést v dubnu.
The flowers start to bloom in April. May.
Květen.
May. My birthday is in May.
Narozeniny mám v květnu.
My birthday is in May. June.
Červen.
June. Many weddings take place in June.
V červnu se koná mnoho svateb.
Many weddings take place in June. July.
Červenec.
July. July 4th is Independence Day in the US.
4. července se v USA slaví Den nezávislosti.
July 4th is Independence Day in the US. August.
Srpen.
August. We usually go on vacation in August.
Obvykle jezdíme na dovolenou v srpnu.
We usually go on vacation in August. September.
Září.
September. September marks the beginning of the school year.
Září je začátkem školního roku.
September marks the beginning of the school year. October.
Říjen.
October. Halloween is in October.
Halloween je v říjnu.
Halloween is in October. November.
Listopad.
November. The weather gets colder in November.
V listopadu je chladnější počasí.
The weather gets colder in November. December.
Prosinec.
December. Christmas is celebrated in December.
Vánoce se slaví v prosinci.
Christmas is celebrated in December. Spring.
Jaro.
Spring. Spring is the perfect time for a picnic.
Jaro je ideální čas na piknik.
Spring is the perfect time for a picnic. Summer.
Léto.
Summer. I love going to the beach in the summer.
V létě ráda chodím na pláž.
I love going to the beach in the summer. Fall. Autumn.
Podzim.
Fall. Autumn. The leaves change colors during autumn.
Během podzimu mění listy barvu.
The leaves change colors during autumn. Winter.
Zima.
Winter. It is cold in the winter.
V zimě je chladno.
It is cold in the winter. New Year's Day.
Nový rok.
New Year's Day. New Year's Day is a time for setting goals.
Nový rok je časem pro stanovení cílů.
New Year's Day is a time for setting goals. Valentine's Day.
Den svatého Valentína.
Valentine's Day. I bought my girlfriend some chocolates for Valentine's Day.
Koupil jsem své přítelkyni na Valentína čokoládu.
I bought my girlfriend some chocolates for Valentine's Day. St. Patrick's Day.
Den svatého Patrika.
St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is very popular in Ireland.
Den svatého Patrika je velmi populární v Irsku.
St. Patrick's Day is very popular in Ireland. Easter.
Velikonoce.
Easter. Easter is a Christian holiday.
Velikonoce jsou křesťanskými svátky.
Easter is a Christian holiday. Mother's Day.
Den matek.
Mother's Day. Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May.
Den matek se slaví 2. květnovou neděli.
Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. Halloween.
Halloween.
Children love Halloween.
Děti milují Halloween.
Children love Halloween. Thanksgiving.
Díků vzdání.
Thanksgiving. Canadian Thanksgiving is celebrated on the second Monday of October.
Kanadské díků vzdání se slaví 2. pondělí v říjnu.
Canadian Thanksgiving is celebrated on the second Monday of October. Christmas.
Vánoce.
Christmas. We decorate the Christmas tree every year.
Každý rok zdobíme vánoční stromek.
We decorate the Christmas tree every year. Solstice.
Slunovrat.
Solstice. The winter solstice is the shortest day of the year.
Zimní slunovrat je nejkratší den v roce.
The winter solstice is the shortest day of the year. Equinox.
Rovnodennost.
Equinox. The autumnal equinox marks the start of fall.
Podzimní rovnodennost označuje začátek podzimu.
The autumnal equinox marks the start of fall. Birthday.
Narozeniny.
Birthday. It's my birthday today.
Dnes mám narozeniny.
It's my birthday today. Anniversary.
Výročí.
Anniversary. My parents celebrated their 25th wedding anniversary last year.
Moji rodiče loni oslavili 25. výročí svatby.
My parents celebrated their 25th wedding anniversary last year.
Pokud se vám náš obsah líbí, máte zájem o prémiové učební materiály a chtěli byste nás podpořit, staňte se nyní naším patronem na Patreonu. Vaší podpory si velmi vážíme. Odkaz naleznete v popisu tohoto videa.